Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can revise part 3 of Communication Unit. We can cover role of mass media in society, functions of mass media and types of mass media. In the current scenario, mass media shapes each and every aspect of our life, either directly or indirectly. And technology also has developed a lot. So this availability and accessibility of internet has increased our usage and dependence upon mass media. This mass media includes different forms of media, like it can be television or a printed magazine or a newspaper that we can cover later on in types of mass media. Now we can move on to functions of mass media. Functions of mass media. So media is the biggest source of our entertainment and information. It is also an avenue for connection and interaction with people across the globe. It is only possible through media to create an awareness among the masses. We see a lot of movements towards change for different causes in the internet almost every day. So all this is possible only with the help of media. Through that awareness, we as a society develop and create changes. So these are some of the functions of mass media. It plays a huge role in creating change, in creating development for the society. Traditional media. This include art forms like folk art, theatre arts and drama, where people used to educate and entertain through these art forms. So this was the most popular form of media before the arrival of technology. Even now, we are able to understand the culture, heritage and tradition better through traditional media than any other form of media. Next, print media. Newspapers, periodicals, magazines, books and journals come under this category. Print media is a source of reliable information. Before the age of electronic media, print media ruled the industry and it had a huge influence on people's thinking, their decisions and their level of awareness. Third type, electronic media. So television, radio, movies are examples of electronic media. The unique advantage of this type of media is that it has this power to keep the audience engaged for long periods of time. The visuals especially, it has a direct impact on the audience. And electronic media captures the audience attention irrespective of their age. Fourth type, social media. We currently live in this age of social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, all these are examples of social media. Social media equally encourages both creation and consumption of information and entertainment. And social media also helps the information spread at much faster rate when compared with other forms of media. With the help of social media, we can connect with anyone across the globe in just matter of few seconds. That's about the types of media. Now we can revise some previous year questions. First question, which of the following is a function of mass media? Option A, to transmit culture. B, to formulate national policies. C, to help judiciary take its decisions. And D, to stabilize share market. Okay, A is the right answer. Cultural transmission is one of the functions of mass media. Second question, which of the following is a characteristic of modern mass media? Option A, capital intensive. B, labor intensive. C, sustainable. And D, developmental. Okay, modern mass media is not labor intensive because this heavily depends on technology more than manpower, and it is not sustainable and it is more commercial than developmental in nature. But it requires a lot of funds and investments. So option A, capital intensive is the right option. Third question, mass media do not have predetermined functions for everyone and people use them the way they like. This is suggestive of the fact that option A, audiences are active. B, content is of little significance. C, content lacks plurality. And D, audience are homogeneous. Okay, so mass media have different functions and people take it the way they want. One person might choose it and use it for gaining more awareness, while another person might use it for socialization. So, this is definitely suggestive of the fact that audiences are active, they know their preferences, and they use media accordingly. Fourth question. In both classroom and mass communication, filtering of information and contents is referred to as option A rationalization, B gatekeeping, C content correction, and D one way flow. So, deciding who should consume what kind of information and filtering the information based on the type of audiences is known as gatekeeping. So, option B is the right one. Last question. Gatekeeping by media to ensure what audiences consume is indicative of option A. The audience voice is media programming. B. Media control on society. C. Feedback received by the media. And D. Media role in creating culture. So, selecting what kind of information should the audience consume and what group of audience should consume what kind of information is gatekeeping. So, this indicates the control that media has on the society. So, second option is the right one. B. Media control on society is the right one. With that, we have completed revision of communication unit, and from the next video, we will start revising math aptitude. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and stay tuned to watch the rest of the videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.